Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the GG trend bar indicator for MT4. So the first step is to download the indicator. Just check the description below. You're going to find the link to download the indicator. After you have done that, just head over to your data folder. All right. And just click on MQL4, double tap on that, and then double tap on indicators and paste the extracted file, the ex4 file or the MQL4 source file, as the case may be. You paste it in here, right? And then you head back to your navigator, right click and refresh. Okay, so after doing that, you should find the GG trend bar indicator in your navigator. Okay, so here we go. Just drag and drop. Ensure that the allow DLL imports box is checked. And as for your input, you can see the custom settings here. You can modify any of them according to your taste. And now this is how the indicator looks like. All right, it is an indicator that is designed to give you a clear color-coded view of trend direction and momentum strength. Okay, this helps you to spot shifts, continuation opportunities, and basically the prevailing trend across different time frames. You will notice that this is a multi-time frame indicator: M1, M5, M15, M30, H1, H4, D1, weekly and monthly, right? So across the different time frames, it is showing you the general trend. So if you are a kind of trader that likes to pay attention to multi-time frame analysis, then this indicator might be a valuable addition to your trading toolkit. Okay, meanwhile, do not neglect the aspect of confirmations. Okay, make sure you always get confirmation before executing a trade, and then do not neglect risk management. Trade with an amount you can afford to lose, and do not over leverage. It is very important. Okay, capital preservation is super important. All right, now if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to consider doing that now, and don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.